Hey, it's nighttime. There's a little bit of a twisty turn here. Okay, yeah, I cheated. I went over the yellow lines because I'm hardcore at night. Yeah, right. I'm the worst hooligan in the world. Alright, man, I hate making turns on this street. And I'm not dead! I call that a victory. Guys, let me tell you, night riding is pretty awesome. I actually really like it, but I try to mitigate myself because it is a little bit more dangerous. There's a couple pros and cons for you. For some of you new riders out there, let me just say you shouldn't start out riding at night all the time. You know, stick to daytime hours. It keeps you visible. That way if you make a mistake, you know, people have a little bit of that leeway. I guess I'll just start with some of the obvious pros right here. If you time it right, and it's all about timing, you get less cars on the road. I mean, look at me. Look right ahead of me. No cars. I timed it right because I know most people are entering my town instead of leaving it, and I'm leaving it right now, so I get these 2 lanes more or less to myself. How awesome is that? There's also less pedestrians, less cyclists. Don't have to worry about them. This slight, bike lane next to me on my right is freaking dangerous because it's barely big enough to hold a bicycle. Yeah, I live in Florida, so it's 1,000,000 degrees all the time, so it's less hot too, which is awesome. I don't have to change my shirt whenever I go into like a new building. So yeah, things also look cooler. You can tell on camera that, you know, at night things just look a little bit different than during the day because of the street lights and the reflectiveness and whatnot in the camera. I just think everything looks cooler. Especially, like, you know, if you're zooming past things, you just see streaks of light instead of just light itself. Just like when they do, like, hyperspace jumps in, like, video games and Star Wars and junk. Let's see. Oh, another cool thing I like to do is ride around in parking lots, because they're pretty much more or less empty, too. It lets me be, you know, a little bit of a hooligan without having to worry about hitting people's property or cars or anything like that. And really, guys, yet again, I gotta say, it's all about timing, and that's awesome. We got 1 car ahead of me. That's okay. I'll share the road with the 1 car. Also, if you're just cruising, you know, if you're a slow rider, you just got your throttle locked into a nice speed, going to your destination. That's one of my favorite things about motorcycle riding is it's almost meditative once you get into it. So yeah, if you're riding a little bit slower, you don't hold people up as much. People are able to pass you because there is less people on the road, just like that SUV passed me right there. And the cons are just kind of obvious. You're less visible. You'll need some sort of reflective gear, and I say need like it's absolutely required. I think so. I wear 2 different colors of reflective vests. You know, you do you, how you know, ride around. But I'm just saying. Light beams from cars. I find this a lot. My visor's usually dirty, so I get glare on the little specks from people's headlights quite a bit. Wow, it's actually picking up. There's some cars here. It's about 10 o'clock at night, and usually, you know, I'm free to have the road to myself around this time. Let's see, if you ride with a smoke shield, you're gonna have to carry around a clear one, or switch them out when you're at home or something. That's why I just usually ride with a clear shield, and during the day I'll just wear sunglasses or something like that. I just don't really see the need to have a smoke shield for myself. But you know, yeah, it's all good. And last but not least, certain destinations will be closed. Yeah, this is one of my favorite roads right now that I'm on, because it links 2 big roads in my city, but only a few people are on it at a time, so it's a pretty good driving road. And it's not straight, it's like slightly curved, so you get a few curves in there too. But yeah, guys, night riding's fun. Just do it safely, and yeah, check out my other videos, and have a good time out there, guys. Oh, but the video's not over! Turning into here. Headed to Five Guys to grab a burger. This scene will also be in another video, which is awesome. Yeah, look how cool all this neon looks at night. Like I keep saying, everything at night is a little bit different, so it's a good change of pace. Oh, there's a Dodge Charger over there. It's actually really nice. So, yeah, the parking lot's full because this is next to an ale house, but inside the burger joint, there's actually no lines. I just saw through the window. That's awesome. I shall claim this parking spot in the name of me, given by me, and owned by me until I get my food and I leave. And then someone else can have this spot. But, yeah, let me get out of here. But, seriously, guys, be safe out there and have fun while doing it.